Oh, my little eggs, I'll look after you and I'll protect you. Let me show you how to coddle eggs. Hey, Chef Dez coming at you from my kitchen again, and yeah, today we're gonna coddle eggs. Not like that, something different. So what is a coddled egg? A coddled egg is almost like a poached egg, but you do it in a ramekin instead. So we're gonna have a little bit of water, we're gonna bring the water up to a simmer, and then put the egg-filled ramekins into the pan and have them cook gently in there. What that does, it gives you another way to serve beautiful BC eggs individually, but contained in a ramekin. But don't forget to check out the video I have at bcegg.com on how to poach the perfect egg as well. Let's get busy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to butter the ramekins. I like to use my fingers. You can use a paper towel if you want to. You can do as many coddled eggs as you can fit in one pan. We're going to do 3 today just to show you how it's done. Always remember, every single large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, over 6 grams of the highest quality protein you can get. And one large egg, it's only 80 calories. So let's take these eggs and we're going to crack each one into its own little ramekin. Then we're going to season with salt and pepper. And then in that large pan, we're going to put about a ½ inch of water. All right, we're going to bring this to a boil. Okay, once it's boiling, turn down the heat to low. Carefully add the eggs. Cover. And cook for about 10 to 12 minutes or until desired doneness. All right, that's about 12 minutes. The exact amount of time is going to depend upon 2 things. 1, the doneness you like, but 2, also the temperature of your eggs that you started with. If they're colder, obviously it's going to take longer. Uncover. And then carefully remove. I use a slotted spoon, and I like to blot them on a towel. The only other thing you have left to do now is enjoy. Oh, beautiful. So easy and so good. Make sure you check it out, bcegg.com, for a whole bunch of other great egg tips, recipes, and tricks. And this is Chef Dez signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?